Yes, taco shells have gone keto, packed with flavor as well. They literally get the green light on low carbs.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So to start with, into a jug, add in the baby spinach and pour over boiling water. This will make it wilt down, and this process will only take a minute or two because the spinach wilts very quickly. Once they have, drain and squeeze all the excess water from the leaves and set aside. Into the food processor, add in almond flour, followed by psyllium husk and your eggs. Last, add in your wilted spinach, season with salt, and then process the mixture until everything is combined and has become really thick. Remove from the processor and roll into balls. You'll find the texture almost like Play-Doh and really easy to manipulate in your hands. Place them on a baking sheet and flatten out with an offset spatula, shaping them out into thin round discs. Place them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, and then take them out and place them on an upside down muffin tray to get that taco shape. Do this while they're still warm, as they'll be able to bend and shape without cracking. Place them back into the oven for 5 to 7 minutes, which will dry them out and get that taco crunch texture. Then it's as easy as filling them up with your favorite taco ingredients. These freeze really well too, so just pop them in the oven to reheat so you can make a whole batch of them to make Taco Tuesday at your house that much easier.